How to delete profile on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete profile on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically delete profiles on Netflix, all you have to do is open up the Netflix application. You know that Netflix is actually made up of many profiles and you can add up to 5 profiles, but if you'd like to delete either of these, how do you do it? Well, it's also very simple to do so. You just have to tap the edit button or the pencil like icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you have done that, you will see this type of interface where you can simply select it. Once you select a person profile that you want to delete, scroll down to the bottom and then just tap on the option called delete profile, and once you tap on the delete profile option, you will be able to simply delete them successfully. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically delete your Netflix profile. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.